So this video is going to be looking at multiplying by 10, multiplying by 100, multiplying by 1000. This can also be known as multiplying by powers of 10. So all the numbers we're multiplying by end in zeros. So if I show you my board that I've prepared first, we've got our hundreds, tens, units, columns, then the decimal point, followed by the tenths column and hundredths column. The decimal point always stays in this position between the units, or the ones column as it's now known, units and the tenths on the other side of the decimal point. We're going to be multiplying, so think about our answer. We can guess that by multiplying a number, it's going to get bigger. So our digits are going to move this way to get bigger. So this time we're going to multiply by 10. Our decimal is going to be here. We'll get it ready, it stays in the same place. And if we look at our multiplying number, it's 10 and it has 1 0. So this tells us that our digits are all going to move one column. So our 7 is going to move this way, our 3 is going to, they're all going to move this way because our answer is going to be bigger. We're multiplying by 10. So our 3 moves one column to here. Our 7 moves one column to here. Our 6 moves one column to here. Oops. And our 2 moves one column to here. So the answer to 37.62 times 10 is 376.2. Now let's have a look at the same number if we multiply it by 100. Okay, so our answer is going to get bigger. Our digits are going to move in this direction. Our decimal point always stays here. And we have 2 zeros in our multiplier this time, timesing by 100. So our digits are going to move 2 columns. Okay, so our 3 is going to move 1, 2. Now I need my column header for this one. It's the thousands column. Okay, put that there. So our 3 moves 2 columns into the thousands. So that 3 is now 3 thousands. Our 7 is going to move 2 columns into the hundreds. So that 7 is now 7 hundredths. Our 6 is going to move 2 columns into the tens, and our 2 is going to move 2 columns into the units or the ones. You could put placeholders after the 0 if the questions required you to do it to 2 decimal places. So now our answer to 37.62 times 100 is 3,762. Okay, one more. We're going to multiply the same number again. So our answer is getting bigger because we're multiplying. We're going to multiply by 1,000. So how many places is our digits going to move? And the answer is 3, because we've got 3 zeros in our multiplier, times 1,000. So we need our decimal point in the same place. We're going to need some more column headings. We're going to run our board. Okay, we've got our thousandths and the thousands, and then we've got our tens of thousands. Eek. This is going to be tricky. Okay, that's a bit smaller. Thousands and tens of thousands. Eek. Okay, so we've got 3 zeros, so they're all moving 3 places. We've got our decimal ready in the answer in the same place between the units and the tenths. So the 3 is going to go 1, 2, 3 places into the tens of thousands. So that 3 is now 30,000. Then our 7 is going to go 1, 2, 3 into the thousands column. So that is now worth 7,000. Our 6 is going to go 1, 2, 3 into our hundreds column. Our 2 is going to go 1, 2, 3 into the tens column. We've got no more digits in our original number. We can't just leave this column blank. We need something in the units, and there's nothing in the units, so we need that placeholder, 0. So now, if you think back to our writing big numbers, reading big numbers, we need a comma here between that. So now we can read our answer as 37,620. So 37.62 times 1,000 is 37,620. Okay, I'm going to come back with another video about dividing, and you can probably guess that it's going to be along similar lines, except when we divide, our answer gets smaller. So our numbers are going to go that away. Okay, see you very soon.